Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Rippling Device Management. Rippling Device Management offers a centralized platform for managing employee devices, including laptops, phones, and tablets. Its main purpose is to simplify IT administration for businesses, allowing them to easily deploy, manage, and secure company devices. Key features include device provisioning, software distribution, security policies, and remote support. Their website provides details on their comprehensive suite of features. Rippling claims a streamlined and intuitive interface, focusing on ease of use and efficiency. They emphasize pricing transparency, although specific details are best found on their website. The platform leverages cloud technology for scalability and accessibility. Availability is generally global, but specific details should be confirmed on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Rippling Device Management. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented and I was able to add my first few devices within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive, the dashboard clearly displayed the status of all my devices, and features like remote wipe and software updates were easily accessible. I particularly appreciated the automated software updates, a huge time saver. The performance was consistently reliable. I experienced no significant slowdowns or glitches during my testing period. I had a quick question about configuring a specific security policy, and their support team responded promptly via email, providing a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated device enrollment process. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick access on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I understood the logic, it was very powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Rippling Device Management. It significantly streamlined my device management process and made my job much easier. That's my overview of Rippling Device Management. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.